Hello and welcome to the DebtCircle Sundown brief for the 30th of June 2026. Let's begin with the top 5 highest yield listed corporate bonds. Topaz 04 2026 traded at a yield of 19.48% with a trade value of 10 lakh rupees. Unifins Capital India Limited traded at a yield of 18.30% with a trade value of 100 lakh rupees. Monedo Financial Services Private Limited traded at a yield of 17.00% with a trade value of 75 lakh rupees. Akara Capital Advisors Private Limited traded at a yield of 15.90% with a trade value of 200 lakh rupees. Regency FinCorp Limited traded at a yield of 15.50% with a trade value of 4.10 lakh rupees. Moving to the top 5 highest yield unlisted corporate bonds. OG Bridge Investment Private Limited traded at a yield of 24.00% with a trade value of 4,000 lakh rupees. Another OG Bridge Investment Private Limited issuance traded at a yield of 24.00% with a trade value of 2,000 lakh rupees. Bhumika Shopping Centre India Private Limited traded at a yield of 14.00% with a trade value of 400 lakh rupees. Lenexis Foodworks Private Limited traded at a yield of 13.85% with a trade value of 9,000 lakh rupees. Refined Finance Private Limited traded at a yield of 13.2856% with a trade value of 500 lakh rupees. Now for mutual fund debt transactions. Gross purchases stood at 22,390.40 crore rupees. Gross sales stood at 23,772.60 crore rupees. Net investment was negative 1,382.20 crore rupees. Net investment for June month to date stood at negative 86,196.400 crore rupees. Turning to foreign portfolio investor debt market activity. Under the general limit category, gross purchases were 2,713.71 crore rupees. Under the voluntary retention route, gross purchases were 848.00 crore rupees. Under the fully accessible route, gross purchases were 1,587.49 crore rupees. Gross sales under the general limit were 289.91 crore rupees. Gross sales under the voluntary retention route were 981.03 crore rupees. Gross sales under the fully accessible route were 1,723.50 crore rupees. Net investment under the general limit was 2,423.80 crore rupees. Net investment under the voluntary retention route was negative 133.03 crore rupees. Net investment under the fully accessible route was negative 136.01 crore rupees. For June month to date, net investment under the general limit stood at 30,620.28 crore rupees. Under the voluntary retention route, month to date net investment stood at 3,246.04 crore rupees. Under the fully accessible route, month-to-date net investment stood at 21,652.09 crore rupees. For calendar year 2026 year-to-date, net investment under the general limit stood at 27,225 crore rupees. Under the voluntary retention route, year-to-date net investment stood at 294 crore rupees. Under the fully accessible route, year-to-date net investment stood at 36,265 crore rupees. Let's look at money market rates. Call rate was 5.43%. Tri-party repo was 5.39%. Basket repo was 5.39%. Special repo was 5.17%. India government bond yields closed as follows. 1-year yield 5.67%. 3-year yield 6.17%, 5-year yield 6.39%, 7-year yield 6.58%, 9-year yield 6.73%, 10-year yield 6.75%, 15-year yield 6.89%, 30-year yield 7.27%. Treasury bill yields and auction cutoffs were 91-day Treasury bill 5.25%, 182-day Treasury bill, 5.45%, 364-day Treasury bill, 5.64%. Moving to liquidity indicators. Net liquidity injected stood at negative 1,39,481 crore rupees. Standing deposit facility balance was 2,17,149 crore rupees. Marginal standing facility balance was 2,647 crore rupees. MIBOR OIS rates were 1 year 5.75%, 2 year 5.89%, 3 year 6.00%, 5 year 6.17%. Modified MIFOR rates were 2 year 6.79%, 3 year 6.79%, 4 year 0.00%, 5 year 6.97%. Currency rates were as follows. United States dollar to Indian rupee closed at 94.64 compared with 94.49 previously. Euro to Indian rupee closed at 107.91 compared with 107.78 previously. British pound to Indian rupee closed at 125.26 compared with 125.02 previously. Japanese yen to Indian rupee closed at 0.58, unchanged from 0.58 previously. Chinese yuan to Indian rupee closed at 13.92 compared with 13.88 previously. In commodities and market indices, 24-karat gold 99.9 purity closed at 14,204 rupees per 10 grams compared with 14,302 rupees previously. Silver closed at 2,350 rupees per 10 grams compared with 2,400 rupees previously. Crude oil closed at 74.02 United States dollars per barrel compared with 73.32 previously. The Sensex closed at 76,478.67 compared with 76,728.37 previously. The Nifty closed at 23,865.75 compared with 23,946.25 previously. Now for India's primary corporate bond issuances. Mahavir Finance India Limited raised 50 crore rupees with a tenure of 64 months and a coupon of 0.00%. The issue was rated BBB+ by CRISIL Ratings Limited. Muthoot Housing Finance Company Limited raised 25 crore rupees with a tenure of 19 months and a coupon of 10.15%. The issue was rated AA- by CRISIL Ratings Limited. Tata Industries Limited raised 350 crore rupees with a tenure of 13 months and a coupon of 8.60%. The issue was rated AAA by CARE Ratings Limited. Equinox India Infra-Estate Limited raised 50 crore rupees with a tenure of 58 months and a coupon of 13.50%. Fincare Financial Services Limited raised 24 crore rupees with a tenure of 34 months and a coupon of 11.55%. The issue was rated BBB+ by CARE Ratings Limited. Aditya Birla Capital Limited raised 300 crore rupees with a tenure of 60 months and a coupon ranging from 0.00% to 8.26%. The issue was rated AAA by CRISIL Ratings Limited and AAA by ICRA Limited. Veritas Finance Limited raised 100 crore rupees with a tenure of 25 to 37 months across multiple tranches and a coupon ranging from 8.90% to 9.05%. The issue was rated AA- by CARE Ratings Limited. Navi Finserv Limited raised 150 crore rupees with a tenure of 66 months and a coupon of 11.50%. Greaves Finance Limited raised 35 crore rupees with a tenure of 25 to 28 months across multiple tranches and a coupon of 10.50%. The issue was rated A- by India Rating and Research Private Limited. AK Capital Finance Limited raised 20 crore rupees with a tenure of 22 months and a coupon of 8.95%. Cube Highways Trust raised 637 crore rupees with a tenure of 142 months and a coupon of 7.39%. The issue was rated AAA by CRISIL Ratings Limited. Marwadi Chandarana Intermediaries Brokers Private Limited raised 100 crore rupees with a tenure of 24 months and a coupon of 0.00%. The issue was rated A by CRISIL Ratings Limited. Satin Finserve Limited raised 40 crore rupees with a tenure of 21 months and a coupon of 10.25%. That concludes the DebtCircle Sundown brief for the 30th of June 2026. Thank you for watching.